In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Affirm on Amazon. Let's start at the very beginning. Fill your Amazon cart with the items you want. Take a moment to double check sizes, colors, quantities, and shipping options so you're confident about what you're ordering. Not every item or order total is eligible for financing, so don't worry if you don't see the option right away. You'll confirm eligibility at checkout. When you're ready to check out, proceed as you normally would. Enter your shipping address and choose your delivery speed. On the payment screen, look for Affirm among the payment methods. Select it, and you'll be prompted to enter a few pieces of information so Affirm can make a real-time decision. This is quick and happens right in the checkout flow. You may be asked to verify your identity, and you'll see the decision in seconds. If you're approved, you'll move on to picking a plan. Next, choose how you'd like to pay. Affirm will present options based on your order, often a pay-in-4 option or monthly plans over a longer period. You'll see the specific terms for each choice, including the payment amount, the number of payments, any applicable interest, and the total cost. There are no hidden fees, and the terms are clearly laid out so you can compare and pick what fits your budget. Select the payment schedule that works for you. Think about your monthly cash flow and any upcoming expenses. If paying sooner helps you minimize or avoid interest, consider a shorter plan. If spreading it out helps you manage your budget more comfortably, choose the longer plan that still feels affordable. Before you confirm, review the summary one more time so you know exactly what you'll pay and when. After you place the order, making payments is simple. Affirm will remind you of due dates and you can pay early anytime. Paying early can reduce interest on eligible plans, and there are no late fees, though missing payments could affect your account standing, so it's best to stay on top of it. For the easiest experience, download the Affirm app or sign in at affirm.com. From there, you can track upcoming due dates, turn on notifications, manage your payment method, and see your remaining balance at a glance. If you ever return an item to Amazon, Affirm will adjust your plan accordingly based on the refund Amazon processes. That's it. You've used Affirm on Amazon from cart to checkout to payments. Take a moment to save your plan details, enable reminders, and enjoy a smoother, more transparent way to pay.